taking my last Fanta today. I'm cutting down on sugar. Hey, God help me. For this routine, I need my face to be moisturized. Yeah, I'm doing this. You guys, I'm finally doing it. I'm finally doing it. God, I'm so scared. But anyway, I don't have a choice. I've made up my mind. I'm going to do this. Yeah. I'm going to be using this. I've used it so much that I'm almost out. And that's because of procrastination. I've been using this. See, I'm also almost out because I've been procrastinating this routine. The star of the show. Ah! And then we have Vaseline, and I have my hand fan. I'm doing this. I'm doing it. I'm doing this. So I've watched so many videos, you guys. I've watched so many videos. God, I've learned a lot. I think I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah. Yes, I used niacinamide this morning. I've been consistent with my morning routine. So I learned using niacinamide with tretinoin is a very good um, combination. But I'm going to stick to niacinamide in the morning and tretinoin at night. Oh yes, I also have a face mask. I think that will help with moisturizing my face because for this routine, I need my face to be moisturized. Yeah, I need my face to be very moisturized because it's so bad. I think one of the reasons why I've been so scared is because I have a very dry skin. When I say dry, I mean very dry skin. So I need everything that can help me uh, with moisture on my skin. I'm going to let you guys know every other thing I do. One of the things I'm planning to buy tomorrow is vitamin C supplement. So since I cannot apply vitamin C on my skin, I'll just take it as a supplement, you know. So something is working from the inside while I'm working my way from the outside. And also I'm cutting down on sugar. Hey, God help me. I'm taking my last Fanta today. After that, no more. And that's because somebody gifted me. These are the issues. Allow me stick to my routine. Why are you gifting me Fanta? Now I'm so disciplined. Even if I'm gifted, I'm not having soda anymore. No more sugar from today. Okay, so I think I've scrubbed enough. Let me go and wash my face. I'll be right back. We're all done. I decided to dry my face off camera as well so that we don't waste any time. So in this video, I'm going to carry you guys along and tell you everything that I've learned while I'm doing this routine, everything I've learned about tretinoin. First things first, you shouldn't apply tretinoin on a face that is not moisturized. But what I want to do first, because I've heard reaction stories that are scaring me. That's the reason why I bought this thing for over a month, but I've not had the courage to start. So yeah, let me grab this. I'm putting Vaseline on the corner of my nose, corner of my eyes, even one stories, and then the corner of my mouth. These are like the areas that one should be wary of. And also, I'm just going to like be generous with it around my eye area. Okay, I'm going to now go ahead and use this CosRx oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion. Birch. I've been using this for over 2 months. I bought it for this reason, for this tretinoin routine, but I've not had the courage. So I've just been using it on my face for my regular routine. So I'm just going to pump out a lot. because I really want my face to be very moisturized. I don't even want to take chances at all, guys. I don't want to take chances. This is day one of my tretinoin routine, and I'm going to be doing this um just once this week. Yeah, just once. I'm going to be doing it once a week for 1 month for the first month before I proceed to twice in a week. So once a week for the first month, and today is the first day. God, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm hopeful. I'm just going to let this dry out before going in with the star of the show. I'm not going to let the moisturizer on my face dry. I'm using the sandwich method, which is moisturizing, the tretinoin, and another moisturizer. That's the sandwich method. Whew. Yes. I begin this routine in the name of the Father and of the Son and the Holy Spirit. God, I hope I don't get to purge. Yes, one thing I forgot to mention, please get prescription before using tretinoin. Don't use tretinoin because you see somebody using tretinoin on YouTube. I beg. I'm just going to go and allow my face dry out because I don't know why this fan is acting up. It's just day one and I'm forgetting to do something. I said I was going to use a face mask and yes, I forgot. So I'm going to use this face mask next week. The recommendation say to use a pea size. This I'm hoping is pea size enough. I'm hoping this is pea size. Yeah, that's pea size. And then distribute it round um face. So I'm just going to spread that evenly. I'm so scared, God. Okay, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm doing this. I mean, I have done this already, so there's no going back now. While I'm letting that dry, I'm going to quickly say that you should not try this routine without a sunscreen because this is going to make you very susceptible to the sun. And this is the moisturizer that this is the sunscreen that I'm currently using, but I won't be using it tonight because it's supposed to be used during the day, as we all know. But once you start this, before you start, you should be using a sunscreen. But now it is even now over important. I don't know if this is anxiety or what, but yeah, it's now very, very important to use sunscreen. So this is what I use. I might film a morning routine. You guys should let me know if you want to see that in the comment section. I might film a morning routine. So I'm just going to let my face set in for some time. And then I'll come back with this, my moisturizer, and that will be it. I'm not scared. I think I should use this time to make a video of what my face currently looks like, and hopefully in 3 months time I'll have smooth face. It's been well over 10 minutes, so I'll just go ahead and this is the light. I'll just go ahead and I'm just being very generous with this moisturizer because I can't even take chances. Hey God, I beg. Everyone knows I'm so nervous, but I don't want to be. So guys, that's everything. It was everything that I used for this routine. And in the morning, I'm going to go ahead and use Bio UV. But I really, really want to use the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. And so this is me calling out La Roche-Posay. I want to use your sunscreen. Yeah. La Roche-Posay, send me sunscreen.